Namaste and good evening, everyone. Today we are going to Hoover Dam, me and my four friends, and this is my dream to come in Hoover Dam as an electrical engineer because it was the first built and one of its kind. The weather is clear and you can see the transmission line and the big mountains. What a view, guys! What a view! Let's look at some of the stunning view of the Hoover Dam. Now we are entering towards the gate of Hoover Dam, and this is Hoover Dam. And I'm going to tell you about some of the facts about Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is concrete and arc gravity dam, and it is purposed to provide hydroelectric power, water storage, irrigation, and the flood control. It is located in the Black Canyon on the Colorado River in Nevada. It's 35 miles from the Las Vegas. And in 1994, the American Society of Civil Engineers named the Hoover Dam as one of America's 7 modern civil engineering wonders. The Hoover Dam was built during the Great Depression. Construction work began on April 20, 1931, and the dam was completed on March 11, 1936. The design teams, colors, and the patterns on the exterior of the dam reflect the Art Deco style and are inspired by the original motifs used by the Navajo and Pueblo Native American tribes. The awe-inspiring Hoover Dam and the lake meet attracts over 10 million visitors a year. You imagine it, 10 million visitors a year. The Lake Mead National Recreation Area is one of the most popular US national park. You can see by the size, you can definitely can tell Hoover Dam was the most expensive engineering project in the US history at the time of its construction. The project was completed 2 years ahead of schedule and the cost less than the original budget of $49 million. The construction of the Hoover Dam virtually ended the possibility of destructive flood striking the region. Prior to construction of the project, communities along the lower Colorado River were often devastated by the terrible floods. The unpredictable and rampant flows of the Colorado River made it difficult to maintain the sustainable and prosperous community. Tell you about some of the benefits of Hoover Dam as I searched on the internet. The Colorado River was controlled and regulated for the first time in the history. Farmers in the Nevada, Arizona, and California receive a dependable supply of water and irrigation, creating improved agricultural land. Irrigated lands supply large amount of produce for the American market. Water is supplied to the 16 million people in the arid region of Southwest. It provided for the flood control of the Colorado River. Cities such as Los Angeles, San Diego, and Phoenix were provided by the Hoover Dam with an expensive source of electricity, which improved the industrial development of the American government. Can you imagine how much concrete was required for the construction of Hoover Dam? More than 5 billion barrels of concrete. Daily demand for concrete during construction was 7,500 to 10,800 barrels per day. What a massive amount. So it has a height of 726.4 feet and it has a weight of 66 million tons. Oh my god, that a huge amount. And the volume of concrete is 4.2 million cubic yards. God. this is what I am looking for because this is power plant. Hoover Dam. It generates about 4 billion kilowatt of hydroelectric power each year, useful in Nevada, Arizona, and California, which is enough to serve 1.3 million people. From 1939 to 1949, Hoover Power Plant was the world's largest hydroelectric installation. Today, it is still one of the country's largest. There are 17 main turbines in the Hoover Power Plant, 9 of Arizona wings and 8 of Nevada wings. The original turbines were replaced through an upgrading program between 1986 to 1993. The plant was nameplate capacity of about 2080 megawatts. Monument is for the memory of people who lost their life during the construction of Hoover Dam. The construction work on the Hoover Dam took its toll and 96 men were killed in on-site industrial accident. Others died from the heat and carbon monoxide poisoning while working. As many as 100 other people, including wives and children of the workers, died from the heat, polluted water, and disease. I'm going to salute those people who lost their life during the construction of this Hoover Dam. Huge respect to those men. Chance to go inside the hydropower station, inside the Hoover Dam, but couldn't go because we are late. So after 3 p.m. the gate is closed, so we cannot go inside. So if you come here before the 3 p.m. you can visit inside the hydropower station. This is the elevator which you can go through downstairs. anyone can come easily here by road. But the important lesson I gain here is the power of humankind when they unite together for a purpose. So this was my amazing experience to visit Hoover Dam, and especially as an electrical engineer. And thank you so much for everyone for watching this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe this channel.